So the captain to try and set France on their way. Mbappe to put them in front! Oh! Livakovic does everything but save it.
And Lamine sees his spot kick saved. The first penalty of Lamine's senior career did not go as he planned it.
Aurelien Tchouameni! And Livakovic gets a hand to it again and can't keep it out.
It is the local lad, Ferran Torres, who will take the second penalty for Spain. And Ferran scores to the delight of Mestalla. The former Valencia man makes it 2-2 in the shootout.
He's got to save it. It's good now! He balloons over!
Scores. Coolly done. Verbruggen sprawling to his left.
And there's to put France into the semi-final. It's down! He's missed! He couldn't keep his cool. He couldn't hold his nerve.
And the Leverkusen midfielder has squeezed it home. 3-3 on the night, 3-3 in the shootout.
On to Désir Doué, the 19-year-old on debut. This to keep France in it, it's Doué! And doesn't he look a player at this level?
Which means that Spain are one kick from the semi. Pedri has already missed one penalty in this Nations League. The chance to send Spain into the Final Four, and Pedri does so.